Hello, I'm Charuvi Agrawal, and I'm incredibly excited to join AAFT as the Industry Dean of School of Animation. Here at AAFT, we are offering a hands-on immersive experience that will help you transform your passion for animation into an impactful career. Together, we will dive into every aspect of the animation process, from foundational storytelling to cutting-edge visual effects. I invite you to join me at AAFT, where we will work on developing your skills and pushing your creative boundaries to help you become a standout professional.